Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2008 replica. The question is a signal e power minus alpha t omega t is the input to a LTI system. So sin omega t. Okay, so this is one LTI system. For that the input is e power minus alpha t sin omega t. Given k and pi are constant, the output of the system is given by k e power minus beta t sin Vt plus phi. What is the relation? What should be beta value? What should be alpha and that all they are asking. Relation between alpha, beta and the k, v, r, they are asking. See, whenever any signal is transmitted through a LTI system, the output should have the same frequency as the input. That is the first step. In the LTI system, frequency of output is equal to frequency of input. So here frequency of input is W, frequency of output is equal to V. This implies V must be equal to W. That is the first condition. Right. Second one, this is for with respect to amplitude. Second, with respect to frequency. Amplitude may vary. Here input amplitude is e power minus alpha t. This is k e power minus beta t. Amplitude need not to be same. So VO may be same or may not be same. So alpha may be equal to beta or may not be equal to beta. So that is second condition. Regarding phase also, phase of the output may be equal to input or may not be equal to input. Here they don't mind about phase, so that is the extra condition I give. So V must be equal to beta omega, but alpha may not be equal, maybe or may not be equal to beta. So V must be equal to omega, beta need not be equal to alpha. So option E is the right answer. Right? So that is V need not be equal to alpha, V equal to alpha, beta need not be equal to alpha. So this is also wrong. V need not be equal to 1. This is wrong. So option A is right answer. Thank you.